Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Nintendo Switch Pro controller drift in Steam using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken stick movements on your current setup session, so your game character stays perfectly still when you let go of the controls. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to fix your joystick rules at the root level before your games start reading the drifting signals. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep using its old tight layout settings, which makes the computer pick up even the tiniest shaky movements from your worn-out thumbsticks. Step 2. Navigate to the main controller option row and turn on the Switch Support toggle switch. Next, you need to slide down the category list to open up the specialized management board where the computer handles gamepads and make sure the specific software switch for your exact controller type is turned on. Move your cursor to the menu bar on the left side of the open window, scroll down near the bottom of the list, click on the category labeled Controller, and look for the toggle switch that says Enable Switch Input for Switch Controllers. Click that switch once to make sure it is turned on and showing a bright color, which tells the system engine to load the correct layout files for your specific hardware. Because if this specific compatibility switch is left turned off, the software will read your switch pad as a generic device. When it does that, it cannot apply any custom calibration or dead zone fixes to the thumbsticks. Turning this option on creates a straight, clean path inside the computer memory card so you can adjust your controller's inner settings directly. Now, you need to scroll down inside the same controller settings screen to find the device software refresh section so you can overwrite any laggy or corrupted tracking data. Use your mouse wheel to scroll down to the bottom rows of the controller page, locate the section labeled Controller Firmware, find the row that says Force Update All Connected Steam Controllers, and click the Start button next to it. Watch for a loading bar to pop up flat against your background view as the system pushes clean, fresh instructions into your plugged-in gamepad memory card. Because drift bugs are frequently caused by scrambled device code telling the computer the stick is moving when it is actually perfectly centered. By forcing a clean software update, you wipe out those lagging calculation errors completely. It forces the hardware chips to re-zero their alignment rules across your layout map, which is a fantastic way to fix the root connection instantly. And that's it. To fix Nintendo Switch Pro controller drift in Steam, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the controller row and turn on the Switch Support toggle switch on your screen canvas rows. Next, you scroll down to the Controller Firmware row and click Start under Force Update All Connected Steam Controllers to clear the broken data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.